Hey guys, welcome back to the video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, you might have noticed that in the last 24 hours, the entire crypto space has been extremely volatile in terms of price. Especially if you're looking at the altcoin market, there is a lot of uncertainty as the interest rate decision will be coming out in about 7 to 8 hours. The market is on a little bit of a scale, and that's why a lot of whales are deciding to take their money out, and outflow is greater and being held in stable coins. So once the interest rate decision falls through, there is going to be a lot of money that will be flowing into different coins. If you also pay attention to how well Bitcoin is doing, you'll realize that Bitcoin right now has retested close to 104,000, but after that it's been consolidating at 105. And when Bitcoin has been super volatile, you know that most of the altcoins are going to be following through with it. If you talk about Dogecoin, it has fallen to 40 cents, but the trading volume has seen a little bit of an upside as traders are making a recovery. Dogecoin uptrend is set to resume. Here's why analysts think so. Memecoin trading volume plummets over 50% in 1 month. What does this mean for the crypto investors? Just to give you perspective, in my last video I misannounced the timing for the interest rate decision. It's due to the mistake of AM and PM in US, as I don't live in the US. It's going to be happening in about 7 to 8 hours since this video goes live. An Ohio lawmaker proposed Bitcoin reserve bill. What is this going to do with the crypto adoption? Now, there is a lot to talk about today. Before we get into it, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with the crypto market, especially Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button, as you guys will want to stay up to date with the latest and the greatest news. While you're there, slap a like on the video, just help the YouTube algorithm push the video out to more people. More people are paying attention to what is happening in the crypto market. The user engagement goes up, more inflow of cash, the market keeps climbing, and a lot of us make a lot of profits. So make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Now, first of all, I want to show you guys the Dogecoin chart. I have been paying very close attention to it, and right now we're in a little bit of a fearful situation. Now you can see that from the last 10 days, this is a daily chart, we have been pretty much in a standstill location. And just to give you perspective, whenever we are consolidating for such a long period of time where the market is not being volatile, especially for crypto, I'm not talking about stock market, the traders become very impatient. And if they see some sort of trend, they're definitely going to try to exploit that trend to ensure that there is some sort of volatile market. And you can see that the slight trend that Dogecoin was forming was a little bit of a downtrend, and just in the last 1 day we did break below 40 cents and actually retested at 37 cents. What does this mean? Well, does this mean that Dogecoin is going to fall short? And the answer is no, because if you just pay attention to the way that the open interest is playing through, 5% decrease is not much. Now, just to give you perspective, the price came down, it was able to make a little recovery. It's still sitting close to 2.6 billion. And the long to the short ratio is actually going more and more in favor of long. So that should give you perspective that as the price came down, a lot of short traders decided to take profit. And that's where a lot of long traders decided to take their limit orders. And that's why the market became a little bit in motion. That's exactly what the traders are looking for, no matter what trader it is. And the same thing is happening with Bitcoin right now. You can see that the open interest has seen a little bit of a pullback, but definitely it's going to be showing signs of growing. It's just the uncertainty that's building, and if you look at the timing, it's pretty much about the next 7 hours that's going to be very, very crucial to see how everything is going to play out. If the interest rate decision comes in favor of crypto, when I say favor of crypto, if the interest rate are cut, you guys know that it's definitely going to be having a good impact on riskier assets, and one of the strongest one, or one of the biggest one that everyone is talking about right now is definitely crypto. So it's going to be having a good decision. And you guys can see right now we are expecting a good interest rate decision and in favor of crypto. As long as it follows through, we have some good gains to make. On the other end, Dogecoin uptrend is set to resume. I mean, it's very clear. Crypto Oliver has suggested that Dogecoin price rally is set to resume. The analyst disclosed on X post on Tuesday, December 17, asserting that memecoin was staggering on the price reversal on upside on the 4-hour chart. It's very clear to see that it's just trying to hold the price and ensure it does not fall below, and we will be climbing very quickly. Let me tell you one thing, There's no such thing as panic selling that should happen right now. That's just my opinion, just to give you perspective. This is not financial advice, but the panic selling would not make sense because we're definitely sitting on a very strong support. So at this point, there is a lot of momentum in terms of a lot of whales that will buy into this consolidation phase. And when they do buy into this consolidation phase, it's definitely going to help with the uptrend more than the downtrend. And you can see, what are we buying today? Nearly everything is at a discount. Just to give you perspective, I do think that when the interest rate decision will be made, I do think that Bitcoin might see an extreme volatile market, but it might actually also retest close to 100k before it goes explosive, because EU lawmakers call for Bitcoin reserve rejects CBDC. So there is definitely good things happening, and a lot of people trying to, control what crypto is going to be used for around the whole world. And Dogecoin sentiments turn sour as the traders grow impatient, and that's exactly what I was talking about. As due to the market being so stagnant for Dogecoin, it's definitely having a toll on how the traders are feeling, and especially if we want to make sure that the traders are able to stay in the Dogecoin market and do not, fall through and, walk away from it, we do need to see a reversal. And if you just look at the meme coins, that should give you perspective. If you look at the trading volume, you will realize that the trading volume has definitely seen a little bit better days. I mean, right now you can see that the overall market trading volume is sitting close to 200 billion, and the market cap and the volume right now, you can see for, meme coins has come down a little bit, and definitely do not want to see it at this point. I mean, compared to what it was before, yes, it's still high, but as compared to where it was like 30 billion, now it's sitting close to 16, which is nearly slashed in half, as we mentioned at the start. Now, this good news for Ripple: anti-crypto SEC commissioner might not be renominated. We talked about this today morning, and it's been confirmed now. It's not making a recovery, and it's not just good for XRP, but it's actually good for the whole crypto market. And Donald Trump's executive order to establish strategic Bitcoin reserve drafted. Now we are getting somewhere, because these are the news that we are all waiting for. It's pretty much just about a month left since Trump gets into the actual office and starts making decisions. And if these decisions are going to be as powerful as what he has stated, let me tell you, it's going to have a huge impact on the crypto market. And BlackRock rules Bitcoin and Ethereum ETF game with historic $860 million spike. That's a lot of money that's going to be flowing through. And evaluating Hong Kong's drive to be a crypto powerhouse, Hong Kong's been trying extremely hard, trying to attract as many people as possible which are relating to crypto, and it's definitely going to be the home. And right now, you need to be a little patient. I hope you're excited for the SEC meeting, because I am. The Fed meeting is going to be really big, and I'll see you then. So subscribe, and I'll see you soon.